Welcome to my channel, Ideas Ko TV. Please don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy watching. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat mga people. So ayan, nandito po tayo sa may supermarket. Meron po akong nakitang mga chicken at saka beef na ready to cook na po. Panoorin nyo na lang po. Maraming salamat. Watching mga people, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. God bless everyone. Until the next video.